Tapos papunta tayo doon, uwi na tayo. Oh, doon na tayo bababa sa pinaakyatan natin kanina ba?
Ay, una ka naman bababa, iba?
Anong una?
Bababa ka na dun sa ano? Flyover.
Tayo, uy.
Simbahan.
Tayo.
Simbahan.
Yun na nga, tayo nga.
Bababain muna ako dun, maglakad ako dun sa...
Sa Market. Bakit saan ka ba bababa sana?
Dun sa amin. Hindi naman yung kumadaan talaga dun na...
Ah, doon sa...
Maglakad pa ako.
Doon sa may black, ilalim. Ah.
Kahit sa market, hindi na maglakad ako para buka ano. Punto ng kinain. Uy, bait na kapatid mo. Nalagaan yung brother. Ayan siya na.
Dito rin, oh, wala silang Christmas light, no? Tara rin. Ay,
Iba na
oo.
talagang Hilton, no? Talagang tumaas pa lalo. Bakit dinano ba dati yan? Binibuild or bayan dati?
Alin?
Hilton din.
Hindi.
Talagang bago yan nawa?
Hindi man bago.
Parang ano yan?
Talaga lumipat.
Linipatan, no?
Oo.
Maganda sa loob.
Okay naman.
Bakit naman Christmas tree ng parang ulit? Parang man. Hindi mo ba ano na Christmas? Itong mga puti ko, itong mga muni.
Oo.
Avatar at saka si ano doon. Naghahanap na. Si Dumpling, so iyak na yun doon.
Yun, oh, may circus.
Bago ka pa lang parang talagang ano ka no, amaze. Ngayon parang wala talaga ako ngayon ka ano. Parang hindi ko na na-appreciate. Parang gusto ko ngayon yung ano ba, pasyal na ibang lugar na naman. Ayun yung ano.
Well, one the first, I think one happened to
Yun na nga.
Yung ice cream. Yung Christmas tree. Special.
Picturean mo rin, picturean mo. Pataas ba? Pataas ba?
Everybody, my name is Barney. I'm also known as Twilight. This is my show. This is my job. This is my dream for the last 20 years of my life. I've always wanted to be a performer full-time in Singapore. And I know that sounds difficult, but I've been doing this for 3.5 years. So thank you for watching my show. Thank you. Thank you. Everyone, as a Singaporean, a lot of people seem to think our country is really boring. It's a country with a very high work and study stress environment. Honestly, I do kind of agree, which is why I'm here. I'm here to entertain people and make people smile. If I've made your night a bit better today, can you just get one more round of applause just for that? Thank you. Now everyone, this last part, I kind of have to say it, I'll make it really quick. End of the day, I am a busker. No one pays me to be here, not the National Arts Council, not Christmas at Orchard. The only people that could pay me are the ones that enjoyed the show. But please, let me clarify. If you cannot afford it, you don't have to give. Come up, give me a high five at the end. It really means a lot. Does that sound good? But if you can afford something, a small donation does go a long way. Everyone, this really is my full-time job. This is how I pay my bills. If you guys can afford it, please consider a small donation. How much is a small donation? $100! I'm joking. Everyone, $10 will mean I did my job today. I entertained you guys. $20 will mean I did something really special and you really enjoyed it. And Kelson, for some reason, if you give me 50, I will give you something more special. I'm joking. Everyone, I will end up with this. Please think about the last time you spent money on Netflix, on Disney Plus, or even a movie ticket. They all cost around $50 and they cannot replace what live entertainment is. If you can support me, please do so. Thank you very much. Okay. I know. Talking about the money always brings the energy down. I have to do it like that, exactly. So everyone, let's bring the energy up one last time. Everybody, are you ready for the grand finale? Say yeah!
Tara! Daghan magdaldal. Di naman lang mag-show.
Saan tayo dadaan? Di ba dito?
Dito, straight na tayo.
Dito ba o doon?
Straight na tayo. Pwede rin.
Nasabi mo dito.
Oo, pwede rin.
Balik tayo. Baka walang daanan din. Pwede siguro kasi ano yun. Ewan ko lang. Yung gulong-gulong dati.
Oh, yun nga. Mag-message ko rin sa akong amo. Sabihin kong, Ma'am, a bit late. I'm here in Orchard watching the Christmas lights. Ha? Uy, ang cute. Alam mo, ano yung post ito? Ako pinapost ko.
Diba? Kailangan mo magbayad, much appreciated. Oh, nilagyan sa ilalim. Pwede may ang mga hagdanan natin rin.
Alam mo yung regalo ni Nancy sa akin?
It's fake it, it's fine, I'm used to it. Are you guys serious? If you want to watch this, come a little bit closer. Thank you. Look guys, I'm going to do a trick. I know you guys
Ito
don't
na
know how good
naman
I
siya,
am.
Lino.
Here, I'm going to balance this knife on my face. Yeah? I'll give you a choice. So should I give it like this or like this? Oh, thank you very much. Where are your parents? What are you teaching him? Alright, look, if this works, everybody clap to your screen. On the count of 5, everybody clap together. Everybody, 5! Oh, come on, everybody, make some noise. It hurts. It really hurts. Alright. We're going to the knife over here. That's okay. I gotta make sure everything works. I gotta make sure everything works. Let me find out. Oh yeah, there it is. No, wrong whip. Let's see if the whip works. Oh my God, do you like the whip? No, does it bring back bad memories? Oh my God, take a photo, take a photo. You got it? You got it? Yeah? Alright, $20. I'm joking. Alright, watch this, guys. I'm gonna do a trick. If it works, everybody clap to your screen, make some noise. Everybody, can you see the knife? Can you see my hand? Alright, watch this. I'm gonna try and impress this guy. This guy doesn't look like he's impressed. Watch. Watch this, sir. Watch. Are you impressed? Then clap! Wait, I can do better. Oh my God, wait, look at this, VIP! Guys, come closer. Hey, I'm speaking sign language. It means come closer. Why are you going further away? Come closer! Alright, look guys. Oh my God, you like the show? Don't worry, look, I'll do something even better. Everybody, I'm going to catch the knife behind my back. Should I pull it now? This is impossible, guys. Seriously, look at my manager. He's going to get angry. Look at his face. He's already angry. Guys, come closer. Oh my God, yes, come. Thank you. Oh my God, high five. Not too hard. Thank you. Come closer, guys. All right, look, I'm going to catch the knife behind my back. Who thinks I can do it? Say yeah. Okay, that wasn't everybody. Let's vote. Who thinks I can't do it? Say yeah! Hey, what the hell, guys? What do you want to see? Alright, wait. Who's here to find out if I hurt myself? Welcome to Singapore. Thanks, kid. Alright, look, guys, I can do it. But I feel like you guys aren't ready yet. I'm gonna do a trick. I gotta warm you guys up. I gotta make sure that you guys are ready for a show. Look. I'm going to throw this Diablo really high in the air. The higher it goes, the more noise you make. Does that sound fair? Alright, fair. Kid, are you watching? Alright, watch. I'm going to speed it up. I'm going to throw it really high in the air. Kid, look at this. 6'7". 6'7". Oh my God. Alright, watch this, guys. Really high. Are you ready? Alright, watch. Oh my God, you're impressed! Sorry, you should really get out more. It's not that impressive. I'll throw it higher, guys. You know, I am going to change the song. I want to play Sing More My Vibe. Everybody, I'm going to throw this thing really high in the air, but first I'm going to change the song. I got to find something that's more my vibe. Kids, look, 6'7". Alright, fine, I'm ready. Alright, let's do this. Ladies and gentlemen, throwing this really high in the air. If it goes well, I'll do the dangerous stuff. Are you ready? Alright, watch. 1, 2, 3. Wait, that's not it. It goes higher. Wait. Guys, watch this. Watch. Come on, make some noise. Wait, I'll give you better. Watch this. I'm going to do a special trick. Watch. Watch this, guys. Alright, that's not it. Watch this. Under my leg. Under my other leg. I throw it in the air. Oh my God, what's happening? I gotta fix it. I throw it in the air. I spin around. Everybody say boo. Say do it again. What's that? That's not Everybody say do it again.
Bakit po tayo ulit? Uwi na tayo. Dito kami, oh, may nagsushow pala din kanina, Lino.
Ano?
May nagsushow din na yun, oh. Oh, tara na. Uwi na tayo. Akyat na tayo dito sa, ano. Oh, baba na pala tayo. May picture kami ni Mitch dito, Lin, eh. The end. Oo. Gusto kang tumugtog.
Kasama talent.
Disneyland? Meron ng ano?
Diba, gulong-gulong yan eh. Smile yata daw yun.
Hmm? Alin?